Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today as I finish up my projects for BeeBeeCraft, and I'll just go through some of the items that they sent me to work with. I do have two videos, one unboxing video and then one other project, and then this will be my third. So I'll just go through really quickly on the items that I got. I will put links to the two videos down below, and I'll try to add them at the end of the video as well, so you can just click on those. So they sent me these boxes. They're clear boxes and they're 2 by 2 inch, and they come just flat, and you just have to pop them up, and you don't have to have any glue or anything to assemble these. Another item they sent me were the storage bags, great size, and I was able to use one of the bags that I cut in half for a project I'll show you in just a little bit. And then they also sent me these dies. They come in the square, circle, and heart dies, minus the magnetic sheets. I put those on my own magnetic sheets, but these are all stitched. Super cute and very, very affordable, you guys. If you're starting off or you need these dies in this shape, great buy. And they also sent me all this glitter cardstock. It cuts beautifully, and you can even see the stitching marks once you cut these out with the dies that they sent me. The other item were a big bag of the bottles, and for adhesive, liquid adhesive, or any of the liquid items that you use to craft with. And I filled that up with glue, and I used that to put together my box with the cutout cardstock. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, so let's move this out of the way and I'll show you my projects. First, we'll start off with the toppers that I made, and I have a separate video to show you that. And I put the toppers together with the storage bags and added my little goodies. And the way I did this was I just cut this in half with my trimmer and added my goodies inside the bag, and I left the Ziploc portion of that at the bottom, that way I can pull my items out, and I can still get two wrappers for two different items with one bag. So the remainder of the bag that was left, I added some twine, baker's twine, and then I just wrapped the excess around the back, added some adhesive, and then put my smaller topper on top. So that made these two items super easy to put together, especially with the glitter cardstock. I used the dies to create these, you guys. I have a tutorial on how to do that. And then let's move on to my third project, and that was decorating this adorable box with the glitter cardstock. I used two dies to cut out the front window, and let me pull these dies out. Let me zoom in a little bit too. And I cut the purple and then a pink glitter cardstock. So I used this second from the largest to cut the main piece, and then I used, let's see, I think it was this one. I used these two together to cut out the frame, and then I used this piece on the purple cardstock and the one behind to cut the window. So with the acetate box, you just have to glue everything on here on the sides to make your little decorative box. Super sturdy, you guys. This is awesome. And then here is where you open it up. Let me get that. Oops, where is it? I lost the opening. Here it is. You open it up, and I also added a piece of the glitter cardstock in the inside, and this is such a good idea. Another idea I had for these little boxes is you can make a photo cube, add photos, just cut these windows out, and make a photo cube and just cut this type of window for all the sides, and then you can just cover the bottom and the inside and make a nice little photo cube with this box. Super, super cute. Lots of ideas for gift giving, candy. It can decorate it for different holidays, Christmas, Easter would be great, and add these into the Easter baskets. Lots and lots of ideas. So thanks to BeeBeeCraft for allowing me to use their products and design some great ideas with these awesome products that BeeBeeCraft sells. I shall put the link to all of the items that they have graciously sent me, and you can check out their products in the store. Lots of items and great glitter cardstock. It doesn't rub off on your hand. So thanks everybody for watching. Take care.